$70,000 with no docs. That's how much Mickey from Pennsylvania was able to get from TRUIST Bank. Nico from Arizona opened up a brand new business checking account and applied for the business credit card same day and got $20,000 at 0% for 12 months, on top of the other $70,000 at 0% that he got from my mentorship. Chan and Newton from Florida also opened the checking account, applied same day, and got $15,000 0% for 12 months stated income. TRUIST Bank is the 6th largest bank in the United States, and that was actually a merger between SunTrust and BB&T. They are a super regional lender in 18 states, primarily on the East Coast. They offer 5 personal credit cards. 2 of those are 0% for 12 months, and 2 of those are cashback travel rewards. And they have a secured card for those with bad credit looking to rebuild. Now, here's some cool things about Truist. Minimum FICO score 620 and bankruptcy friendly. We've had people who have had bankruptcies, and if it's discharged and older than 4 years and your scores are 650 and above, you can still be approved for credit with TRUIST Bank. Truist actually allows you to pre-qualify for their credit cards. Even if you aren't a client, you just simply fill out the pre-qual page and it will show you if you are pre-approved for any of the cards. Now, you can accept up to 2 of these cards and will be either 1 inquiry or no inquiry if it's a soft pull. Some people have reported that they're able to keep their bureau frozen and still be able to get approved for these cards. Now, you could either get 2 personal cards or you can go ahead and get 2 business cards. They're both 0% for 12 months as well. They pull your Equifax bureau and they offer 0% business credit cards with stated income. Typically, it approves $20K if you open the business checking account and apply same day. Otherwise, if you apply without the checking account, we're seeing a lot of lower limit approvals around $5,000. They also offer a no-doc business line of credit and business term loan for $50,000 and below if you have a 2-year LLC and qualifying credit, which is typically 680 or higher, utilization below 30%, and no derogatory remarks. Links for my 0 advance pay Metro 2 credit repair in the description if you have any derogatories on your report. They also have a corporate card that you can likely obtain with no personal guarantee, but as always, it will typically require an established company with millions of dollars in revenue and dozens of employees. Do not believe the no PG gurus. They also have business auto loans and commercial vehicle and equipment loans up to $250,000 with options for 0 down, and real estate loans up to $250,000 as well with 15-year terms. My recommendation is to open the Truist business checking account with at least $500, if not more, if possible, $5,000 to increase the odds of a high limit approval, and apply and speak with your local banker. The bankers are your friends, guys. They make money off of lending. They want to see you get approved. Ask them about the various products and they will assist you in getting approved. Do not be afraid. As always, guys, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment below, show some support. I'd really appreciate it. Links for my one-on-one and group business funding mentorship packages are in the description below, as well as 0 advance pay Metro 2 credit repair and business funding with no upfront fees. This is Credit with Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one.